my new G903 in the mail today. I did open it because the price I paid for it, I just could not believe it. At the current moment, Amazon has it on sale for brand new $129, $150 new, regular price I mean, and other places you can get it for $100, and then eBay is like $91 right now to still get it. Even used, it's still in the 80s. So I went ahead and opened it because I only paid $49.99. So I had to open it and make sure it wasn't the. If you guys know mouses from Logitech, I have the MX Anywhere right now. It's like a gold bronze looking color. I was worried they may have sent me the smaller one. They call it Light Speed or something like that too. So I had to open it before I got surprised on the video because I'm tired of my unboxing videos being a surprise or a total failure. If anybody watched my G29 steering wheel unboxing, that was a mess. So this came from Walmart for $49.99. It says it's refurbished, not certified refurbished, so that means basically somebody just cleaned it, but it has a 1-year warranty still on it. So who knows if it's legit or not, but credit card will give me my money back if there's a problem. But there's the box. Let's adjust you guys right. I'm doing it in a really confined area instead of my normal setup, so at least I have a tripod this time. Has a nice tag on it still. Ripped off the bottom. What's in the box? Bunch of stuff. If you guys want to read this, screenshot it. Pause it, screenshot it, and then zoom up on your screenshots, because I'm excited to just get into it. Play with the true freedom of advanced wireless and response, blah 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 blah. I gotta keep focusing you guys for some reason. Wireless charging system sold separately. I'm also wondering if it'll work on a Q iPad, which is what I charge my phone on. So that was a slip cover. That looks like that's going to be the front. The box is a little bit damaged there, but I'm not going to use the box. So let's see. Oh, nice. Very nice. Oh, I just want to touch it. Looks very clean. I'm going to start off by just picking it up and putting it to the side. I always like doing the main device last. Putting that to the side. Let's see what else is in the box. Absolutely nothing other than a really cool holder, which would be cool if I could 3D print a cover like that. Nothing else in the top of the box. I'm gonna put that back in there. Okay, that was the holder it was sitting in. Kind of nice. We got instructions. Go over the instructions in a bit. What we got here? I'll tip you guys down just a little bit. So we have a disc style holder. Is there anything else in the box? That's it in the box. Okay, let's look at the instructions real quick. We're going to have safety. Big long thing of safety, which I ain't even gonna show you guys that. And then what we got here. G903. Again, if you guys want to read this or look at pictures, pause it, screenshot it, and zoom up on your screenshot. Plug into computer. Let's make you guys focus a little bit. There we go. On and off. Looks like there's a tear on the bottom. I haven't even looked at it to see if it's there. 20 centimeters between your router. It looks like the router. Sure. This thing connects to your router. Right hand, left hand. I do know the buttons pop off on the side. Not really. I know guys should like pictures, but I think the pictures are kind of lame. Put some words with them. Okay, what color is it gonna blink? Low battery, that blinks, but you have no clue what color it is. Plug it in. There's 3 other looking lights on there. Who knows? Over here is, you can pop off the bottom and put on the weight 10-gram weight. It felt really good when I moved it around. That was the worst instructions I've ever seen from Logitech. We're gonna go ahead and pull this box out of here. It's a really nice box. It's like nice and thick. Doesn't feel cheap. Okay, we're gonna look at this nice braided cable. Looks like it's gonna be about 6 foot long. That's all that's in there. 6 foot long. It's got a cool little connection. I'm gonna see if that's gonna be to guide it in or if it's just for looks. Gonna be standard USB 2.0 since it's white. Got a nice little cover on there. I'm assuming this is 6 foot. I'm not really gonna unwind it because I'm not gonna use it. I like the wireless feature. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Oh, it looks so much smaller than what I thought it would be. There's the 10-gram weight, which I have no fingernails. This is gonna be hard to get out. Okay, you gotta have fingernails to get this crap out. Ah, there we go. There we go. You can definitely feel the weight on that. Definitely weighted, 10 gram. We're gonna leave that to the side. What do we got here? That's all that's in there. And that kind of fits into that area once it closes to keep the weight in. That's pretty nice. Logitech looks like a micro USB on that side. USB on that side, that's if you're using USB. Now it's supposed to be Bluetooth too. Made in China. It says G903 on the side. Let's get you guys focused in. There we go. That was pretty stiff in there too. I like that. That was also just USB. Let's put that back in there. Here's the buttons. Well, that's pretty cool. There's actually holders to keep this in there. Little tiny screws on there, if you guys can see that. That's if you're doing left hand. Will that go back in there just how it came out? That was pretty cool. But it does. I will never get it back in there how it was, but there we go. Bam. Now let's see how the other side comes out without breaking it. Okay, individual button. It also has the little holes in there to keep it. I feel for 150 bucks, instead of it coming in a box, it should have came in its own carrying case. Kind of like how this did, where it holds these so perfectly. Obviously I didn't pay the $150, but that don't mean it refurbished. It can't come with that. So far everything's looking really good. Then are the buttons if you're wanting to add the buttons to the side of the mouse on both sides, which I am. And then there's the weight. We will get all into that in the overview. Now for the prize. The box breaking in the background. There we go, and you guys are too close. Get away. There we go. Doesn't look like it's used, at least on this side. It's definitely used on this side. See all the scratches up here, 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 and here. That don't bug me too much as long as it works. Very nice off and on button. Does move pretty far. You can definitely get to it. Actually, my thumb went to it really easy. I got the if you guys just heard that, sorry. I have the MX Anywhere. It's been out for a couple years, and that button, you can get to it really easy. It goes up and down, but it's a pain compared to this one. That's nice. I noticed it only pairs with one device. My MX Anywhere goes with 3 devices. I'm assuming that's the pair button, whether it's to the dongle or the Bluetooth, which I am told it's Bluetooth. That's why I bought it, because it's Bluetooth. There's nothing in the instructions about that, so that's nice of them. It's got a nice screw right up there. I don't know if you guys can see that, way up there. There's a screw. And if another person comments on my nails, I actually do something for a living. So when my nails are bleeding, that's because I did something in my life. All these people sitting at home saying, oh, you got awful nails. Well, I fucking do something every day. I also liked my MX Anywhere because I could use it on glass. And one of the train stations I go to sometimes, it has a glass table, and I was using it, and I've had 2 people so far walk up and be like, how are you using your mouse on that? It's like, because I got Logitech. And Logitech can go on glass. I'm hoping this one has the same sensor on it and it does it. This one's also longer than my MX Anywhere. The MX Anywhere, it's like from there back, it's a lot smaller. I like the full ones because it feels good in the palm. This one definitely feels good in the palm. Yeah, so that pops out of there or something. I think it's magnetic. We will go over that in the overview. Got 2 nice buttons there. Feel just as good as all the Logitech stuff. Oh, that's gonna be hard getting used to. Bringing this finger back to hit that. Oh, that's weird. I think that's changed colors. And I think it's totally, oh, it's on. I think to hit this is like different colors. It says it's dead. I'm assuming red is dead and this is lighting up green. We got a scroll wheel. It's in the mode where it scrolls forever. I'm not, my MX Anywhere, when you push it in, it will switch over to a harder normal mouse. This right now spins forever. Sometimes I don't quite like that, and I normally just push it down and that goes away. Oh, that's what that does. Why did they do away with that? Oh, so you have your center click back. I also had problems with, let's say, Siege, a game. I couldn't click my inner mouse because when I clicked it down, it would actually change it to this mode. Now they make it so you have to push that button. I do like that a little bit, but they could have made it like a button underneath or something. Maybe to hide it a little bit, because that button's like out there. What do we got? Okay, so we got... Who knows what that does? I don't know if you guys can see what them fancy lights. Doesn't really have many lights other than the G logo on the side, now that we know what that is. This being refurbished, I think they used a cleaner, but right now this button is a little bit sticky. Doesn't bother me too much. Does fingerprint up here. I think you guys can see that. Now for the other side, this is removable and you can put in the switches that were in this little box here, up here. We're gonna be doing that in a little bit. A little bit of dirt from it being refurbished or used or whatever. Definitely seems like it's been used a lot on the bottom, which is where they're used anyways, but like mine, you'd see grease on here and everything, so it's amazing that it doesn't have grease stains everywhere or a wear out mark. So now let's see if this is a guide or just for looks. This is my first time plugging this in. Very nice. And also, just because it's wireless, you can run it just like this and now it's wired. So if you go on the road like I do a lot, you unplug it, it's wireless. If you get home and all of a sudden you plug it in, now it's wired. It also is supposed to have wireless charging if you have it on a mat. I'm also going to test if it works on a QI charger like your phone would. I feel that it's definitely a guide. See how they're, well, that one's arched up. This one ain't arched up. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh yeah, you can see that. See how it's like arched up? That side isn't arched up. Yeah, that's nice. And then if it's plugged in like that, you guys can't really see what I'm doing there, but yeah, it doesn't drag or nothing. See, it's up higher than the rest of the mouse, so it's not going to be dragging. Yeah, I'd say that's a 10 out of 10 on doing that, so it guides it in. We'll have to see what battery life is and all that. I always charge my devices before they're dead. It doesn't have a red light on it so far. Maybe once I pair it with a device, it will do that. And that is the unboxing.